Let's make Nacho Chips overload pang Negosyo. Perfect business this holiday season. More events, gatherings, road trips, and hangouts. Plus, best midnight snacks while binge-watching movies and K-dramas. What a perfect combo! Prepare your preferred packaging. Add Nacho Chips around 40 to 45 grams. Get a small kitchen digital scale for accurate costing and pricing. Check our tagged products. If you're planning to start this kind of food business, make sure to look for a reliable supplier early so you won't run short on ingredients once orders start coming in. You can also check nearby groceries or supermarkets for backup supplies. Add 2 scoops of seasoned chicken meat. By the way guys, I am using jam scooper. You can use any meat you want. I use chicken to make it more affordable. 1 scoop of cucumber. 1 scoop of white onion. Offer add-ons so customers can choose extra meat or veggies if they want. 1 scoop tomatoes. Drizzle cheese sauce on top. You can use homemade or ready-made cheese sauce. Use hint cups for separate cheese sauce. You can also add garlic mayo sauce for extra flavor. Add logo stickers for branding or simply thank you stickers. Try this cute takeout bags to make it more presentable. You can sell this for about 100 to 115 pesos, depending on your markup. Our total cost is 68.41 pesos per pack. Add 20 to 30% on your markup to cover other expenses like utilities. If you add 65%, you'll get 44.47 potential profit and the selling price is 112.88. but rounded off to 115 pesos. Want this pricing calculator? Get our Nachos business recipe file now. See description box below for more details. Thanks for watching guys. See you on my next video.